Hello everyone, this is Nagendra here. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to explain few data objects in JavaScript. So let's start, guys. First of all, save a file. I'm going to save in this JS folder. I'm going to save it as date.html. Okay. I'm using one date constructor here to create one data object. And today's date is date.getDate. Control S, save your file. Let's run and check now. Yes, today's date is 11. Okay, guys. Let's see next method. Day day is date dot get day. Let's run and check now. See guys, we got 6 as output. In JavaScript, Sunday is represented as 0, Monday is 1, and so on. So today is Saturday, so we got the output as 6. Let's see next method, where month equals to new month is month dot. Same thing guys, January is represented as 0, February is 1, and the current month is July, so we got the output as 6. Let's see next method, where io equals to new date document. Full year is year dot get UTC. Full year. Guys, this method prints the year on the basis of universal time. Let's run and check now. Full year is 2020. Okay. Let's see next method, where minutes equals to new date document. Minutes is minutes dot get minutes. Let's run and check now. Minute is 32. Okay, let's see next method. Let's see hours. Hour is hour dot get hours. Control S, save your file. R is 10. Okay. Okay guys, let's print the complete date and time. Okay. current date and time is ID is date and time where this to save a file. Let's run and check now. See guys, the complete date and time is printed now. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you won't miss my upcoming video. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.